So, babe, what are we doing?
Very DIY ghetto smoke test.
Why?
Because there's an evap system error, and a good way to find out where the air is coming from, as far as like a crack on the line, is to use smoke. Instant smoke testers. How expensive? I made this paint can incense burning air pump that's gonna pump incense smoke into the evap system, and hopefully I should be able to see where it's leaking from by looking around the lines after that.
Nice.
I don't know how much incense smoke I need, so I'm just lighting off a shit ton.
Alright.
They smell really bad because these are two different incenses.
What are they?
Black cherry and blue moon or something.
Oh dear God.
Oh. Burn, damn it. I think some of these are broken in half, so it's kind of weird burning.
That's fine.
Just got these two left. There's a lot of incense right now.
Oh yeah. And it's all going in your face.
Okay. So, to make this thing work, it needs to be airtight. I got a rubber valve stem here and a little brass barb connection on the other side, drilled holes in the top. We're just gonna, the air supply is going to be just from, oh, it hit an incense, it burned the floor. There's a couple more incense sticks down there. Little, not the stick ones, but the other ones.
Yep, the little,
Yeah.
I don't even know what they are.
Oh yeah. That's okay. So, then the bike pump will be the air supply. And should force it out the other end and into the evap system, which is not fully blocked off, but that is the hole from the evap system. Well, no. That's the line that feeds into the evap system from the purge valve. Should probably take that over.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna try to find tape. You keep pumping this.
Okay.
Just do it kind of slowly.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a weird noise. I don't know what that noise is, but I see smoke coming from around the gas cap for one. So that's one thing. Probably just gonna need to get a new gas cap. Still got some stuff to look at under here. I don't see any smoke. No, those are some dry rotted hoses though. But figure if there's a leak, there probably should be smoke. I don't see any. So I'm gonna keep looking. Corey's gonna keep pumping. See what's going on. Okay. So we've been looking for like 10 minutes. The only smoke we saw was right around the gas cap. And when we looked on the gas cap itself, let's see if I can get this off. There is this tiny little crack right there on the actual seal itself, and I think that might be just enough to cause just a little air issue. And the little noise in there is this little flap. I guess we might be putting a little bit more than 1 psi. Doesn't seem to be hurting anything. None of the hoses has fallen off yet. And I was also curious just to see and make sure that was actually going through the entire evap system, because it is just incense. And I did pull off this line. You can see when she pumps it that smoke does come out of it. See if I can get better light on that. I don't know if you can see that, but smoke is coming out of it. So that's definite that this entire system is currently filled with smoke. So seeing that there's no leaks down here, I'm pretty satisfied that it's probably just the gas cap. So we're gonna get a new one, reset the code, see if that keeps it off, and if it comes back on, I guess we'll just keep troubleshooting. Sound like a plan, Courtney? You don't have to pump anymore. Okay. Yeah, that line was just right after this valve. I just kind of shoved it in there. Yeah. I'm also going to test that valve to make sure the solenoid clicks by plugging it up to the battery. Just off camera as an extra test. So I'm going to plug all these lines back up. We'll go from there. Extra gas cap, see what it is. What do you think? Feel good?
There's a lot of smelly smells going on around here.
I know, it is quite strong.
Why did we get 2 different kinds of incense?
And we had to be sure.
My brain hurts.
Yeah. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. See you guys in another video.